If you want to learn how to create a constructional or building kind of website, this video is a helpful guide for you. Now, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to develop a construction website using PHP. Now, this website, I'm going to show you from beginning to end my steps and easy setup guide on how to create a constructional website for your company, or if you are a web developer who is looking out to create this kind of website for a client who needs a construction website, this video will be the best you're going to see out there. Now guys, if this is the first time you're seeing our video, we share educating videos around tech stuff, and we help you as a web developer earn money, and then easy ways so you can set up website and then collect and charge huge amounts from your client. Now if this is the first time you're seeing our videos, we share videos of this sort, so subscribe to this channel, and then most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that once we release educating videos, we share educating videos now and then. So you just have to, YouTube is going to notify you, and then you're going to watch that video and then learn my tricks and strategies of actually charging huge in my works and then delivering top-notch jobs to my clients. So guys, I believe you subscribe to my channel, so let's get started. This video is divided into two segments. The first segment, I'm just going to give you a total walkthrough of how a construction website works, what are the things involved, how the admin can actually manipulate some stuff from the admin end, and then the second segment is where I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to strong servers that will help you to set up this website. I'm going to be showing you and giving you a guidelines on how you can set this up for yourself. So guys, follow me as we get into this. Okay, now the first segment, you can see right here on my screen, I've already set up this platform on my server so that I can give you a good walkthrough on how it works. So you can see that this is a construction website, and it says build with confidence. Now if this you're doing this for a construction website, you're going to ask your client, okay, what is the name of your construction website, what is the name of your company? So it is with those details you get from your client that you're going to use to set this website up for them. However, if you're still doing this for yourself, this video is also good. You can still get to put your website name, and then you follow these procedures and deliver this work. Now you can just ask them, so you can see why choose us, you understand? So if the name of your company is real tech construction or stuff like that, you can just put why choose real tech construction, something like that, if that is the name of your company. So you see, so you can see that we have cool image and we have some content written here, you understand? So this website, I'm going to be showing you how to edit this PHP website script, and then you can deliver your job to your client. Now you can see that these are the services this company offer, you understand? So these details you're seeing here are fully editable from the admin. So once you log onto your admin, you can see that this is a very robust platform. You can see that this is the home page. You can see that this is the home page and every stuff is there. So you can see pages. So let's go back to about us page. You can see the about us. So you can just calm down and then do a good write up for your website, what your website is about, or your company. You just have to take your time and do that. So you can see that this is about us, this is our mission, this is our vision, and working hours, and quick links, important links that are needed on your website. Understand? So I'm just going to show you how you can edit this for yourself. So you can go to services pages, so you can see all the services rendered by this company. See engineering and design, industry drawing, program management, digital enterprise, health and safety, and many more guys. You see the address, so you include the address of your company, your contact details, and then your working hours. So you see, so this is actually a very robust construction kind of website, so you can easily get on this and then deliver to your clients, or you deliver for your own company if you're doing this for yourself. So you can see that this is the portfolio. There are several portfolios that are available here, so you can actually do this for yourself. So it's easy guys. So I believe you've been watching previous videos we've uploaded here, and you can see that these processes are quite easy and not really as technical as you think. So it's just cool. So most of these details you're seeing here is editable from the admin. So one, we are going to log on to that, I'm going to show you. So now let's go to the testimonial page. So this is the testimonial page. So this is the testimonial page. Yeah, so you could just get real images from customers who can do a good review for you, then you can just come here. Maybe previous customers you've worked for, you can just get on and then get a good review from your works, and then you can add it to your testimonial page. You can see that. So you see, these are the news page. We have some important information. So you just have to take your time and then do this. I'm just going to show you how to do that also. So you see, then the contact us page. So whoa, this is the contact us page. So you can just come here, your customers can just log onto your website and then come to contact us page. So this is where you're going to put your details, your address, and your contact details. Okay, so these are just basically some of the stuff you can get on this kind of construction website. So now let me log on to the admin. So to log on to the admin is just your domain name slash admin. So this, once you do that, is going to bring you to somewhere here. So this is the admin login page. So let me just do a quick login. So my login details is admin shift at gmail.com. So my password. So I'm just going to log in real quick. So whoa, it's redirecting me to my admin. Whoa, so you can see that this is actually easy, and this is the admin. So now you can see that there are a lot of stuff that is editable from the admin. So now you can see all the stuff I told you that is editable from the admin. See the next section: why choose us, partners, testimonial pages, portfolio, images, fact page, FAQ, and comments. So now let's do some little edit from the admin to make sure it reflects, so that it could confirm that this is a working process. So now I'm just going to show you in this tutorial. So see this here. So we have this testimonial page. Okay, or let's start with the services page. So this is the services page. So okay, yeah, this is the services page. Now let's come back to the front end. Now the front end, you see that here is the services page, and you can see all of the details here. Now let's still go to this services page here. So you can see the full services rendered by this company. So they have up to how many services here? 6. So now let's come back to the admin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 services offered by this company. And you can see the first one right here, engineering and design. You come here, you also see engineering and design. So now let's click and then see if we can do some little editing on this. So this platform is actually built using a full PHP, and that is why you can see some stuff right here. This is real PHP programmed script. So you can see we at Real Construct, we take pride in delivering outstanding design that meets our clients' expectation on the project. So now let's come back here and see. Okay, see that this is the same content right here. So now let's do some edit. Okay, so let's add some stuff here. We say we are glad to have you here on our platform. You could take a look at our services. Whoa, so you see that? So let me put enter. Whoa, so you can see. So let me still come down here and copy the Control A and Control C, Control A, Control V to paste it. So you see that? So now let's say you want to change this particular image. You see the previous image here. This is the image, and you see that we've edited this. So now let's do a save on this. Let's update this. Let's update it. So let me come back here, and then let me do a refresh. Whoa, you see that what we just added? We are glad to have you here on our platform. You could take a whoa. So now let's see, we can change that image also. So this is the image. Let me choose file. So let's see the particular files they accept. PNG or okay, GIF and PNG are allowed. So now let's come to my downloads and let me select this image. So let's do an update now. Okay, it has been updated. So under construction. So let's do a reload on this front end. Whoa, so you can see that we've changed that immediately. So this is taking effect. So now let's edit industrial training, the second services that the company offer. So let's come back. Okay, you see this image has been updated. So now let's come back and edit this one, industry training. So let's say company, let's change it to hours, company tutorials. So let's change this content. So I'm just doing this to show you that everything is quite easy and you can do that from your admin. So let's still leave this image and then let's update that. Updated. So let's come back here and reload industrial training. So it's now company tutorials. Whoa. So program management, we can just say let's come back to services. So it's just something you're going to just take your time and edit all the details you're seeing here. So this on the health. So let's come back here and check if we can do small edits here. So Control V, and then let's do let's say healthy lifestyle, or let's just say safety safety first. So if you have your own company or if you're doing it for your clients, ask your clients if what are the services they render in the company, or if you're doing this for yourself, you know the services you render in your company. Just come here and then add them immediately. So let me do an update. So let's come back here and reload. So this is the front end, you can see that. So this is safety first, it has changed. So you see that we are this instance. So let me come back. So now let's go back to another page. So what other page can we edit? So let's come to, let's switch page. Let's say the about us. Okay, let's come to portfolio. Portfolio. Okay, so let's see some of the stuff on the portfolio. Okay, let's come back to admin. So if you come back to admin, you see the portfolio here, portfolio category, and then we have portfolios. So let's go to portfolios first. Well, you can see all the portfolios. You see corporate work one. You see that corporate work one, business work one. Oh, this business work one. So let's do some edits right here. So corporate work one, we can just say our let's say joint work slash building. So if that's okay, I'm just going to change this Control A to this, and then this one Control A to this. If that's okay for me, I just scroll down and then come here and do update. My network is bad. Okay, yeah, portfolio is updated successfully. So let me reload. Okay, joint work slash building. Wow, consider that is cool. So let's edit one more one on this portfolio before we go to another one. So we come back and come to portfolios again. Which one again? So we can just edit engineering work 2. You can say this is workshop. So I'm just doing this to show you that they are editable from your workshop 1. Updated. So we refresh. So we come down, we have workshop 1. Whoa, you can see that. So these are editable and easy stuff you can do from your admin. So which other one? We have FAQ page. We'll come back here, we have FAQ page here. So let's come to FAQ. We have some details here. So we can still edit it from admin. So just take your time, come here and do FAQ. So you see, can just do something like this. V. So let me just remove this and then we save. Submit. So we'll come back and refresh. Well, you see that this one is affected immediately. So that's cool. So I'm just doing this to show you that everything is working. So one major thing you should do once you log on to your admin is to come to settings. So it is from the settings that you can easily change your logo. So you can see that this logo dominant here, you see that. So this is where you're going to change it. So just do a good logo for your company. Come here and then upload your logo, select your files and upload it. Okay, so that's for logo. So favicon, I believe you should know what favicon is. Favicon is this icon that shows at the top here whenever your website is loaded on the browser. So login background, so you can change this background, the admin login background. So okay, let's just see if we can change it to a different one. I don't have a picture, but let's see if we can use this update photo. Okay, login background. Well, you can see that. So our admin login background has changed. So whenever we come back, so general content. So you can just come here and edit this stuff. This 2024. Your address. We can just say. We can just say. Um, Jabi. Jabi Abuja. So that you put your number. Put your number, your phone number, your working hours. About us. Your company email. Let's say your company email is support shift at real something like construct something like that at .com. So if that's okay, so just come down and do what we do, update. General setting has been updated, so the general content, you can see that what we have here. So now email settings, make sure you do your email settings. Now for you to do this, come back to, okay, I'm going to show you how to create your email from the cPanel as we proceed. Just have to do that. So sidebars and footers, home page. So why choose us? You can just give your name of your company is let's say the name of your company is build tech, something like that. So you can show that. So Control A, Control V. So you update. So you see, updated. So let's come back to home page again. Okay, so you can see that it has been updated. It has been changed to this name, and this has been changed instead of why choose us. So you see that everything is actually editable from the admin, and it is easy for you without touching and going to edit any code. So you can just do stuff from admin right here. So this is cool for me. So now what other thing do I need to show you? So this is the admin dashboard. Most of the things you see on the front end are 100% editable from the admin even without going to the code. So guys, I just want to go over to the second segment where I'm going to be showing you how to get to upload this and then do this for your clients, or upload your website and connect your servers ready to deliver this work to your clients. So let's get started with the second segment. Okay guys, for you to do this you need your domain and hosting. So with your domain and hosting you can actually get on to start delivering this job to your client or to do this for yourself. So if you've gotten your domain and hosting, there is a hosting I've recommended in the description of this video. So you can use my referral link. You're going to get a commission. Most times you could even get a free domain name when you use my referral link. So it is in the description of this video. The first link, you could just click on it and you can get a discounted price for your hosting packages. And while me, I'm also going to get a little token for referring you. So guys, try that. It's a strong host and their services are good. Trust me. So if you get your hosting and you get your domain name, while you wait, you're going to just wait to receive your cPanel login details to log into your cPanel from the registrar. So once you get your cPanel details, you're just going to log into your cPanel. So if your domain name is buildtech.com, stuff like that, for instance, what you just have to put is your buildtech.com/cpanel, and it's going to prompt a page where you're going to put your cPanel login username and then password. So you can just log in. So once you log onto your cPanel, you're going to be seeing an interface exactly as this. So boldly written here, you can see that this is cPanel. So this is the exact stuff you're going to be seeing, and you know that yes, I am on my cPanel. So once you are here on your cPanel, you just have to come to the search bar here, or you locate file manager wherever. So let me just type file manager. So if you can't find it, just come here and type file manager and then double click and open it. So once you double click and open it, my file manager, it is going to open immediately. You understand? So yours will be as new as anything. You understand? You're seeing these folders and files here because I already have a dominant domain in this server. So that is why you're seeing these files. However, I'm just going to be creating a folder so that I can teach you and show you the exact process to also do this if you're doing it for your fresh clients or for the first time. You don't have any problem. So now what you just have to do is, if you're doing this for a primary domain name you just got, what you just have to do is, once you come to your file manager, just come and locate public underscore HTML. So once you locate that, yours will be as new. So mine is having these files because I have a domain name residing on this server. So what you just have to do, yours will be new. You just have to come to your public underscore HTML and directly come to upload. So you just have to click on upload, and you're going to upload the website script that I'm going to be using to upload right now. However, I already have a website on this, so I'm not going to be doing this on my public underscore HTML. Yes, I'm just elaborating that so that for the sole sake of newbies who are trying to do this for the first time or who are not conversant with setting up website script. So this is just for you. So I'm just going to be doing this on a folder. If you're doing this for a new client or for a fresh work, do not upload to a folder. Upload directly to your public underscore HTML. So I'm doing this on a folder because I just want to teach you and show you the process of installation. However, if you are doing this for the first time, just upload directly to your public underscore HTML and then extract. So I believe that is got. So let me just come back here. So and let me come to here and create a folder. So let me create my folder and say construct. So that is my folder name. So I click on create folder. So that folder has been created. So you can see my folder here. So I just have to double click. So I'll be uploading inside here now because I'm doing this to show you. Remember, if you're doing it for a real work, you just have to upload directly to your um your public underscore HTML. So I'm just going to upload this file to this CMS file. So don't worry, before the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get access to this software I'm using right here. So you can see that my files has been uploaded. So once it uploads, you wait for it to turn green, and it has been uploaded and turned green. So I just have to come back here and reload. So this is my file. So after uploading, you extract. So I extract to construct. So once I've extracted, so I've extracted my file. So what next thing I need to do is I need to just select everything here and then move it into the folder I created. Now, if you're moving your own, what you just have to do is, after uploading to your public underscore HTML, after extracting, the folder is created, go into the folder and then move directly into your public underscore HTML. Make sure nothing is at the back of public underscore HTML, and then you click on move. So I moved mine directly to construct because that is the folder I uploaded it to, and that is where I will be doing it from. So for me to access my files now, it's just my domain name slash the folder I created, then my website is going to load up. However, for you who is doing it for your primary domain name, you just have to do your domain name and it's going to load up. So now we've uploaded and extracted our file. So the next process here is we need to create a database information that will be used to do the installation. Now, if you're watching this video, you still need to get through the documentation folder. There is a documentation folder that you're going to see once you upload and extract this file. So you're going to see the documentation folder. You can see that this is the good information about the script. So you can just ignore everything here. So this is the features. These are the requirements. So the server, whichever server you're going to be using, will need all these requirements. So which is why I'm recommending my hosting also, the one in the description of this video. You can use it. The server has all these requirements. So most hostings are not compatible with some scripts. So you see that. So you need these details, a PHP version of 8.0 or higher. So for it. So this is the installation guide. You understand? So you can see we've already done the first process, download this, and then we've done the second process, the CMS file. We've uploaded it and we've extracted it. So the third stage is where we are now. We need to create a database from the cPanel, and then we are going to import this file in this SQL file into the PHP my admin. So now let's do that. So for you to create your database, come here, or either you search from the search bar, or you just come down here and locate the database segment. The database, yeah, this is the database. So I just come to my database SQL database wizard. So I'm going to click on that to create my database. So I'm not just going to be creating a database, I'm just showing you how you can do this. So you see, so once you come here, you click on create a database, you put some details, and then you put a name you want. Let's say FS FSFS DB, something like that. So I click on next step. So it's going to prompt you to create a database username, and then you create a password for yourself. So make sure the details you get from there, you're going to save it on your notepad, because you're going to use it for installation and then configuration of this website script. Okay, so once you're done creating your database, when you come to the file that you just extracted, you will see the database folder here. So just double click on it, you're going to see this file. So it is this file that you're going to upload to the database that you've just created. So now let's get to do that. So let's come back to this place. As I said, I already have a domain name I have created. So now just locate, come to database. After you must have created your database, come to database segment and then go to PHP my admin. So it is in this PHP my admin that you're going to locate that exact folder, that exact database you created, and then this is where you're going to import yeah, this is the database. So I'm just going to come here and then click on import, and then I'm going to select file. So this is the database folder. So double click on it and then select this SQL file. So once you've selected it, see it here. So you just come down right here, come down. Okay, let me select it again. Yeah, this is it. So I just come down here and then click on import. So this is going to import for me. So make sure you create a database. After creating a database through your MySQL database wizard, you come back to PHP my admin and then import this file that you will be extracting from the folder. So let's do that. So while it's importing, so another setup you need to do is to come back to your extracted folder in your file manager and come to applications, then come to config. So you're going to see the database.php, click and then edit it, edit. So it is here now that you're going to input those database details that you saved while you are creating your database. Things like your password, your database username, and then your database name. So this is my password, my database password that was created for me. So I'm just going to copy it. You're going to locate password here. You just see it like this. Just click, put your mouse on the middle of those and just paste. So let's come back here and then let me get my database username. So I copy database username. So this database username, I just remove this root and then put Ctrl V. So I come back here and then I copy my database name, copy, and then I come back to database. I remove this icon and Ctrl V. So once I've done that, I'm just going to click on save changes. Wow, my changes have been saved. So now let's come back here to confirm that this file has been imported. So it is still importing. So these are just the necessary setup you need to do to get your website running. So once this imports, our website is good to go. So now for me to load up my website, I just need to do, since I uploaded on a folder, I just need to do my domain name / the folder where I uploaded to, and my website is going to load up. So our SQL file has imported successfully. So our website should load up now. So now let's go over to load up our website. So my website was uploaded to a folder. So I just have to do my domain name / the folder I created, which is construct. So let me just do that. So I do a load up. This is it. So I just click on enter. So remember, if you uploaded this to your primary domain name, which is the public underscore HTML, what you just have to do is load your domain name and it's going to load up immediately. So but I did this on a folder, which is why I'm loading up my folder. So let me wait for that to load. So this load up, so you can see that my website has loaded up successfully. Yeah, so you can see some of those stuff that we edited from the admin back then. So you can see all this here. So this stuff that we edited, so everything here is editable from the admin. So for you to log into your admin, is just your domain name slash construct slash admin. Because I'm using construct is because I created a folder, but if you're doing this from your primary domain name, it's just your domain name slash admin, and you'll be brought to this page, admin page, to where you're going to log in. So let's just do that. So this is my business slash admin. So you can see that it's going to log me in instantly. So you can see that from the installation folder, which is the documentation folder, the admin login details is admin at gmail.com. So I just have to copy that and come here. So admin at gmail.com. I just paste that. So that's okay. So the password is 1234. So I click on login. So it should log me in instantly. You understand? So you can see the same stuff we saw earlier on in this video. So you just take your time and edit and then deliver your work. So I promise you I'm going to let you know how to get access to this file. With 50k you can actually get access to this file and you can use it to deliver your work. It's a PHP web script and it's easy to edit. You can see that everything is solely done from the admin. You don't actually need to start setting up from the code and stuff like that. So even if you're a non-tech savvy, so this is just a cool setup guide for you. So you can use this strategy to do your thing and then deliver this, and you can charge between 250 to 1 million to deliver this job to your client. So guys, I'm going to see you in our next video.